Hello friends, here's my new video on relationships in Salesforce. So before actually jumping into the thing, what relationships in Salesforce are, I would like to tell you a concept that will give you more clarity on why do we need lookups, why do we need relationships in Salesforce. So let's start with a scenario. Let's take the scenario of college. A college comes to you and it says like you as a developer has to handle my database in a more segregated manner that records are not duplicated, the records are not redundant and it should look more segregated. Okay, so then college says that I have two objects, one is branch, other is student. In branches I have branches and in objects I have a student object, I have records of students. Okay, now college tells you that gives you more information that Vishal is related to computer science branch, Rahul is connected to mechanical, Priya is computer science, sorry, Priya is connected to mechanical, Priyam is connected to mechanical again. So if you see there is one to many relationship that one branch is related to many students. So this is one to many relationship that you have to perform. Now how you gonna make it? Because there is no connection between them. So there comes a role of relationship. So what kind of relationship is that? Before jumping into that, this you need to understand that branch has a primary key. Obviously each object or each table will have a primary key. What primary key is? Primary key is like it is a key which uniquely identifies the rows in a table. Like branch code, computer science branch code CSE 101 will be unique throughout its table. And similarly, in the case of students, roll number will be primary key and it will be unique within a table. Okay. Yeah. So in order to implement that relationship thing, in order to connect them, I need to create a foreign key. Now, what foreign key is? Foreign key is that it acts as a primary key of other object. Like foreign key will be the primary key of other object. If you see the values I am putting here in foreign key is a primary key in branches object. So now if I see the table at the down, Vishal has a relationship field that is a foreign key CSE 101 which is a primary key of branch. Now by looking at this table I know that student Vishal is connected to CSE 101. Similarly, Rahul is connected to 101. Priya is connected to mechanical. Priyam is connected to mechanical. So this is how I used foreign key as a key to connect between two objects. So now if you say my one to many relationship is fulfilled, this is how relationship works in Salesforce. And there are two types of relationships in Salesforce. One is master detail, one is lookup. Okay, and this lookup and master detail both are similar as foreign key. They both are the foreign key only, nothing other than that. But they both have different, some specific characters to perform that I'll explain practically. Now I have already created two objects and their tabs as you can see here. If you don't know how to create them, you can refer to my previous video. There you will get to know how you can create them. So now I'll create a record branch of in branch object. Now name I'll give CSE. I'll save it. So here at the backend in branch object you will see a record coming. Okay. Now whenever you insert a record, Salesforce automatically gives you an ID of that record and this ID will be unique throughout the table. So basically this is the primary key of table of any object in Salesforce. So this is ID. Now I'll create a record in student object. Here is student, I will give it Vishal. Now in student object, if I query them, I'll see another record by name Vishal with the primary key ID here. So now how would I relate them? So to relate them, I need to create a relationship. Now I'm going to create a relationship that will be a custom field. We can define relationship in a custom field. I'll choose here lookup. and it will ask me whom I want it to relate with. I'll choose branch. So why did I create a relationship in student object? Because relationship field is always created, foreign key is always created on many side of the table, many side. So that's why I'm creating it on student side, as it has many side. Okay, I'm giving it the name branch. So here you can see a foreign key or a field with data type lookup branch is created here now. So how would I relate both these records? So I told you I have created a foreign key. Now I'll map their values. Now inside Vishal, if I refresh the page layout now, I'll get a new field with the branch. Now I can choose here the branch. So now I have related Vishal with this branch. So in this branch foreign key, I have mapped the ID of CAC branch record, the CAC record of branch. So you must be wondering why here it appears CAC. So don't get confused. It's like standard behavior of Salesforce to show the name, but at the backend I will show you right now. In Vishal field, in foreign key of Vishal, let's see, an ID is saved, and this ID is ID of this branch record of CSC. So now I have mapped both of them together. So in Vishal, it is related to CSC now. So this is how they both are related. So now I have chosen lookup data type. Now let's say Vishal is on the many side, so it is a child of branch. So I'm deleting this created record Vishal. No, not this. Actually, I'm deleting the parent, and let's see what happens now. If I delete CSC, now I have deleted CSC. I have deleted CSC. CSC is deleted now. But look at the Vishal. Vishal is still there, but the field is lost because now you have lost the ID of CSC branch. So that's why here only Vishal is left, and relationship has been vanished. So now I have changed the relationship type with master detail. Now let's see what happens. What is the difference? Again, I'll follow the same process. I'll create a record with CSC here. I have deleted all the old records from both the objects, and here I'll create student name Vishal. But hey, what do I see here? This has become a required field. I cannot save a record without mentioning its parent, without mentioning its master. So this is the first difference between them. So whenever you declare many as a master detail relationship on a many side of an object, then it is compulsory to create a record with its master. Otherwise Salesforce won't let you save that record. So now I'm gonna again choose it. It's CAC. So now it is saved. Okay. So it is also saving the record in the same manner. I'll show you here. This is a new record, and this will also have again a new branch. Okay. So this is all same. Now I'm deleting the record of master side. CSC branch. So this is deleted from here. I'll refresh it. Let's see. Oh hey. So now see the child record, the record on the many side that was related to its master. It says if master is deleted, then the child will automatically get deleted. So this is the second major difference between both of them. First was like it is compulsory to create a record with its master. And the second one is when you delete its master, its child will automatically get deleted. All the childs will automatically be deleted. So this is the difference between them. So this was all about relationships in Salesforce. In the next video, I'll let you know how to query them, how to fetch their records, how to query relationships in Apex. So please watch next video. Thank you.